Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to set yourself as away on Google Chat using your PC. Whether you're stepping away for a meeting or just need some quiet time to focus, this new update makes it easier than ever to manage your status. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, so all of your apps and settings are connected. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen, right next to your profile photo. You'll see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is your main menu for all Google apps. Click on those 9 dots, and a panel will appear showing several different Google tools, like Drive, Calendar, and Meet. Scroll through this list until you see Chat. Click on it to open Google Chat on your computer. Once you're inside Google Chat, take a look at the top of the page. You'll notice the Settings area, where your status controls are located. Right next to the gear icon for settings, you'll find a small circle that shows your current activity status. This is usually green when you're active. Click directly on that circle icon. A small menu will appear with options for your status. From here, you can easily switch between active and away modes. To change your availability, choose Set as Away. The moment you select Set as Away, your green status indicator will change, letting others know that you're not currently active. You can still read and send messages if needed, but your contacts will see that you're unavailable at the moment. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've set yourself as away on Google Chat. This update helps you control your online presence without logging out or missing important notifications. If you ever want to go back to active mode, simply repeat the steps and choose Set as Active again. Now you know how to manage your availability quickly and easily on Google Chat. Give it a try and stay in control of your time throughout your day.